let's start with a few words about IFC, the industry foundation classes. So in this version of COMOSYS, we have added, if I double click on this plate, for example, an IFC tab to all the objects. And in this tab, you find this new ability of defining your IFC entity type. So it could be IFC beam or a column or a wall or a curtain wall or a slab or a stair or a ramp, plate, footing, etc. You've got several options. And this allows for better organization on the viewer side once you export, and whoever receives it can organize the data better. So just assign the relevant entity types and IFC will be exported accordingly. Similarly, you can give it a building name. So this also allows the other side to organize the information better. And you can give each part a story name as well. And that will, of course, once again define the various stories on the viewer side. Another thing which was needed was that if you go to the project settings over here, we now have the ability to define base points. This is also for the IFC export feature, which means that normally when you have a large plant or a large facility, you've got many buildings in the same facility. And usually the modeler will model them at the global 0, 0, 0, XYZ coordinates. But the actual building, as far as the site coordinates are concerned, is somewhere else, and it probably has a rotation angle as well. So this definition of base points allows you to define the origins and the rotations and the east and north and elevation, these coordinates for your building. And although you will model it locally at the 0, 0 level, but it will go to this shifted and rotated position in the viewer. And you can create as many base points as you want. It comes with the default base point, obviously at 0, but then you can add base points. And when you do that, these base points will appear in the IFC export dialog box. So this, for example, is the IFC export dialog box. If you see, you select a file name and do your settings, etc. But then you have this option of base points, and you can choose any one of the base points you have just defined in the other from the other place. And once you do that and you press export, your elements will be exported to the correct base point.